Hello there! So today we're going to tell you how to install Revo Uninstaller or Revo Uninstaller. Let's go Revo, shall we? Onto your computer. So if you go to Google and type Revo Uninstaller, the official website is revouninstaller.com. So if we click straight through to that, we'll get the Happy Holidays offer. There's a little cross up there, but you can just click off it as well. And if you go along, we don't want to go to buy now, we want to go to downloads. Okay, there's big holiday discounts on some of the Pro and Pro Portable versions. However, we're looking over on this left-hand side, Revo Uninstaller freeware. So it scans for leftovers as standard install, cleans up your registry, things like that. There's 8 additional cleaning tools. We'll have a look at them. Free professional technical support. Cool. Hopefully we don't need it. And uninstall apps, which is what we want it for. It'll allow us to uninstall applications cleanly. So if you click on free, which will then ask you to save the setup file. So we'll save that into downloads, and there it is. Revo or Revo setup. Double click on it. Yes on user access control. So the first thing we need to say, language English. License agreement. Perfect. We're going to read through all that very carefully. I accept the agreement. Next. Default location is in program files, VS Revo Group, Revo Uninstaller. That's fine. Only needs 7.1 mega space and not much required at all. And we'll let it create a desktop shortcut. Then it'll get us to review the settings. There's not many, to be honest. Then we can click on install, and it installs that fast. If we leave it checked to launch Revo Uninstaller, finish there, and there we have it. Revo Uninstaller 2.4.5 is installed on our computer and lists everything that we can uninstall. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and we shall see you again shortly. Take care. Bye.